Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18 by 9 foot by 48 inch above ground pool and cleaning kit. Beat the summer heat and have some fun in the sun with this Bestway 18 by 9 foot by 48 inch rectangular frame pool set. This set comes with everything you need to enjoy a cool afternoon, including the pool ladder, 1,000-gallon sand filter pump, ground cloth, and pool cover. The steel frame sections, with their unique rectangle shapes, lock together with ease. The kit includes a vacuum and a 9-foot pool skimmer that will clean out the dirt and debris inside your pool. Product benefits: side walls and the wall band are built of Tritech material. The skimmer consists of a 110-inch aluminum pole with a durable mesh netting. The vacuum attaches to your filter pump and has a 19.7-foot long hose with a 1.25-inch diameter. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.